Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing Frieza or Golden Frieza, depending on how you color it in. I guess it could be regular or golden. So we're going to start with the right eye. So you want to find about the middle of your page, bang in the middle across as well. And we'll start just with where the frown joins together, just there. Just the line right in the middle. And then this is going to curve up both sides, like that. This frown line comes up this direction, and this one is the same. Keeps going all the way up. Then these curve around like this on both sides. And then this one comes up, and this one will come up as well. We have just some lines to show bumps for the top of that brow, just here, and then some here too. And then we have those typical Dragon Ball eyes, those box-like eyes. So one here, down, and then it comes across, and then comes up. Then the semicircle iris in there, and we do the same over here. Down, diagonal, in, and then comes across. You see it gets skinnier as we get in towards the nose, and then up there. And then the iris semicircle just here. We have those typical Dragon Ball lines that go underneath the eyes, like that. You could add maybe one or two, just coming off like this. And then we'll do Frieza's nose. So Frieza's nose is different to most other Dragon Ball characters. It's kind of a rounder sort of nose. So it curves down from this line here, and then it comes around for a nostril, kind of like an S shape. And then it bumps for the middle of the nose, and then it bumps for the other nostril, and then comes back up that way. And then Frieza has those dark lips, so we just do, underneath, right underneath the nose, we do a line like this. It kind of looks like a bit of a mustache maybe. And then it comes up, down, and back to a point. Got that evil smile, you know. And then the bottom lip just comes down from that. Back up in there. And then you could do a line just in the middle. Of course, depending on what color you're doing those lips, you could color them in dark, so you wouldn't even need that line, because Frieza's lips are dark. Just smirking, kind of evil. And then this curves around like that, just to show lines for cheeks, kind of on the mouth. Then under there's a line for chin, just there. And then we can do his jaw, side of his face, his jaw, and his chin down here. His chin is just here, and you can add maybe a line just to help you there. This comes up to jaw, along here, and then along here. And then this travels up towards his ears, those round ears, both sides. Because if I go too fast, pause the video, slow it down. Help yourself out, man. And then these, or woman, and then these go up this way. And of course Frieza has a purple sort of section in here and a different color on the outside, so we got to draw that in. So a line this way, and a line that comes down here. And then same over here. And this comes down to about here and then back in. So then he has those round ears. So we just do a bump up, and the same here. And then a bigger one that comes all the way around, comes up past his eyebrow there. And then he has another little bump that's the same as what's on the bottom. We do the same over here. Curves up. Try to keep them about the same level, but they don't have to be exactly the same level. Little bump like here. And then now we have his big round head. Comes all the way up. So both sides. Try and keep it sort of symmetrical on both sides. Curve around. Checking. Check your progress. Going around there. Like that. And he has that different color section that's on his head as well. So it comes down from, on this side, about here, curves down, and the same over here. So it curves down just about there. And then this comes all the way down. It travels back up to the other side. So it curves down. Comes back up. And then joins that back in there. Now, so we can just add some lines for his neck. We can see some of his shoulders and his chest muscles down here. So we'll add just a line for his neck here, and one on this side. And then this will curve around. Boop. And then this one will come back the other way. So it'll come back here. And then this will come back up to there. And then there's some lines for neck muscles just inside there. So we have one here, and one here, and then two just this side. And it's pretty much the same on the other side. Here, here, and two there. And we can just see his shoulder muscles just going off the edge of the page there. And on this side as well. So his head is like dipped down and he's getting ready, he's powering up. So now his chest muscles just here in the middle. So we do a line just down like that. And then these come around. Curve up. And imagine they go off my page there, but if you had room, you can keep going that line and then come back around there and just touches his collarbone sort of thing there. It's kind of like he's wearing armor or something, whatever way his anatomy is. And the same on this side. So it goes off my page there, but you could keep going like that. And then there's just sort of lines for muscles just in there. And then some maybe here as well. And then there's sort of that purple section that's just in here. And there you go. That's Frieza, close up. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one. Like, subscribe, share.